edition.
Hey! Welcome to Elmo's world. Oh, guess what Elmo is wondering about today? Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, the sun! Oh, looks like it's another sunny day on Sesame Street. Wow, Elmo can't wait to learn more about the sun.
Did someone say son?
Yeah, Elmo did, Grover.
Well, you are in luck because I have a son right here.
Grover, that's a sheep.
Yes, and here is the sheep's son.
Grover, no. Elmo wants the sun in the sky.
Well, I do not know anything about that. Sheep, how about you?
Well, what do we do to learn something new?
We look it up!
The sun is a giant bright star in the sky. It's the closest star to our planet Earth, and we can only see the sun during the day. It gives us light and energy. All living things like trees, bugs, animals, and people need the sun. It keeps us warm as we run and play outside. Remember your hat and sunglasses. Even though we don't feel it, the Earth is always spinning around the sun. When our side of the Earth faces the sun, it's daytime. And when it faces away, it's night. The sun makes Earth the best planet to live on.
Wow, the sun is amazing.
Aw, shucks. Really?
Oh, yes, you are a star. Literally.
Thank you so much for all that you do, son.
Anytime. See you at sunrise.
Bye.
Bye, son. Hey, that gives Elmo an idea. Oh, does Grover want to play a game?
Do I? I don't know, do I?
Yes, you do.
Oh, then yes.
Then come on.
Yeah.
Grover, this way.
Oh.
Elmo wonders if we can find the sun. Ready?
Ready?
Let's play! Time to wake up, Natty Monster. It's morning.
But wait, there is no light. Where is the sun hiding? Is it in here?
No, that's a teddy bear.
What about in the laundry?
Those are clothes.
Elmo thinks it might be behind the shade.
You did it. There's the sun.
Hello there, sun.
Oh, the sun is giving the monster the light she needs to start her day.
Have a great day. Hey, where are all the pretty flowers?
Elmo thinks this garden needs some sunlight. Now, the sun must be hiding behind one of these kites, but which one?
Is it this one, or this one?
That one.
When in doubt, I always choose chicken.
Woohoo!
You did it, Grover. The sun is helping the flowers bloom. Whoa! This boy looks a little too cold to be at the beach.
That is because he needs the sun to keep him warm.
Elmo thinks the sun is behind this cloud.
Keep looking.
This one or this one. Grover, Elmo's gonna need a little bit of help.
Sun, where are you hiding?
You did it. Yay!
The sun is helping keep the boy warm.
Yeah. Have fun, and do not forget your sunscreen.
Elmo loves learning all about our favorite star, the sun.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. Hey, that makes Elmo wonder even more. Does Mr. Noodle know about the sun? Oh, let's ask him. Come on, Grover. Hey, Mr. Noodle! It's Mr. Noodle's brother, Mr. Noodle. Hi, Mr. Noodle.
Mr. Noodle, it looks like you are going outside to enjoy a sunny day at the beach.
Yeah. Now, hold on, Mr. Noodle. Mr. Noodle needs to protect his skin from the sun. Does Mr. Noodle know how to keep his skin safe at the beach?
No, that umbrella is too little.
Now, try again, Mr. Noodle. Oh, yeah, okay. Hey, that works. Yeah, nice towels, Mr. Noodle. Yeah, baby. Mr. Noodle's sunscreen, net, and umbrella all keep his skin safe at the beach. Yeah. Oh, surf's up. Mr. Noodle. Bye, Noodle.
over to Monster, Monster Dance Dance. Monster, Monster Dance Dance. When we learn something new, we do the Monster Dance Dance.